This week on Fujitsu Motorsport NZ REDPASS, who can make the pass without seeing red in the battle of the B&T V8s? Coming up, race 2, reverse grid, race 3 from Fujitsu 200 at Pukekohe. It's all about speed, and for that, you need big brakes. Hello and welcome to Fujitsu Motorsport NZ with your REDPASS edition. I'm Clint Brown. The sirens are going off. We're back at Pukekohe Park Raceway for the Fujitsu 200, and we're counting down to a start in race 2 of the B&T V8s. Now this year, in the battle of the V8s, it's all about one of the big things to watch out for is a new set of brakes. And these are the new set of brakes, performance friction brakes. And Peter Turk, tell us exactly how they're going to be different from the old brake on the B&T V8s.
Well, basically what we've got on this year's car is we've got a monoblock caliper, which is made from a billet, whereas the old system was bolted together as in two pieces, which gave a certain amount of compliance. With our product, there is no compliance, so therefore you've got a consistent brake pedal, which obviously as a driver you want, and basically as the race progresses, the pedal stays where it should be, whereas in the old packages and the older versions, shall we say, you would basically jack back from the corner because you would have to brake earlier and earlier and earlier.
So in the longer races the brakes would start to go off, so all the drivers are looking forward to getting used to these because they're going to be there. They can pound the brakes consistently for a lot longer and they'll be more confident, so that should end up with quicker lap times. But apparently the drivers are saying the key to getting these set up between front and rear is the temperature. What's the go there?
Well, basically, as you can see here, we've got temperature paint, which is the green, orange and the red. Now basically this goes off at about 430 degrees C. This is about 530, this is 640. Now this is the core temperature. What we want to see at the start of the stop is about 450 on the front and about 350 on the rear. Now if you don't have those temperatures when you actually apply the brake pedal, the stop won't happen because you need a certain amount of temperature to make the pads work correctly. So as you can see, this has turned yellow, which is 530. That's about the right temperature on the disc, and basically if they don't have that, they just skate on into the corner.
So the drivers have their temperature gauge for the brakes in the car so they can get their brakes up to speed on the warm-up lap, get them warmed up so they can go ready to race, have that consistent performance friction brakes working for them all the time. Well, I tell you what, the B&T V8s are going to be using this year. Let's see how they go as they line up.